In this video, I'm going to show you how you can loop YouTube videos on your smartphone. So by looping your video, you'll be able to make your video play continuously. Once it gets to the end, it will begin afresh, and this will go on until you just put a pause or you stop them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open YouTube, and you can do this easily on your app. Once you're on the app, go ahead and open any video that you want to loop. For my case, I want to loop this video. Then head over to this settings gear and tap on it. And from here, you can see we have quite a number of options, but you can't see the loop option. So to find loop, go ahead and tap on more. And this will go ahead and expose other hidden features. And among them is loop video. So if I go ahead and tap on loop video, now you can see the video is on loop. Now, if I go ahead and forward this video towards the end, you realize that once it gets to the end, it will begin afresh without me having to click on it. So let's wait and see. Now here is the end, and it begins afresh. Look at that. It has begun afresh. So if you have enabled loop, it will play continuously until you stop. So that's how you can loop YouTube videos on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.